Gorillas are vital gardeners of their forest ecosystems, helping maintain biodiversity by dispersing seeds through their dung, pruning vegetation to create light gaps for sun-loving plants, and regulating plant growth, preventing any single species from dominating. Their presence supports the entire food web, protects large tropical forests like the Congo Basin, the lungs of the planet, and can even help prevent disease spillover, highlighting their role as umbrella species for numerous other forest inhabitants. Key roles in the ecosystem: seed dispersal. As they eat fruits and plants, seeds pass through their digestive system and are deposited elsewhere, aiding forest regeneration and expansion. Forest structure. Their constant movement and feeding create clearings, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor, which helps diverse, sun-loving plants thrive. Plant community regulation. Their extensive herbivorous diet controls the growth of certain plant species, preventing one type from taking over and keeping the ecosystem balanced. Umbrella species. Protecting gorillas means protecting vast tracts of rainforest, which benefits countless other species, insects, birds, mammals, and critical ecosystem services like climate regulation, water, and oxygen. Ecosystem health. By maintaining forest health, they indirectly support local communities who rely on these forests for food, water, and medicine. The bigger picture: lungs of the planet. Gorillas live in the Congo Basin, the world's second largest tropical rainforest, which plays a crucial role in combating climate change. Keeping these forests healthy helps stabilize rainfall and air quality. Biodiversity. Their conservation safeguards entire habitats, protecting not just gorillas but also other endangered species like pangolins, chimpanzees, and unique birds. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you. Some people hunted them to sell baby gorillas abroad for the pet trade. Even though gorillas can be calm and gentle, they can become very aggressive if disturbed. So taming them is not as easy as it may seem. Also, the authorities protecting gorillas in national parks will not give permission to tame them. Gorillas are special due to their remarkable intelligence, complex social structures, and close genetic relationship to humans, with whom they share about 98% of their DNA. Key characteristics that make gorillas special include high intelligence and emotional depth. Gorillas are highly intelligent animals capable of a wide range of emotions, including joy and sadness. They have been observed laughing during play, grieving for deceased family members, and using tools in the wild, such as using sticks to test water depth or as a support for balance. Captive gorillas, such as the famous Coco, have even been taught to communicate using sign language. Complex social lives. Gorillas live in stable family groups called troops, typically led by a dominant adult male known as a silverback, due to the silver-colored hair that develops on his back as he matures. The silverback acts as the group's protector, leader, and decision-maker, ensuring harmony and safety. Bonds within the group, especially between the silverback and females, are strong and important for social stability. Physical prowess. As the largest living primates on Earth, adult male gorillas are incredibly strong, estimated to be as much as 10 times stronger than an average human, which they use primarily for defense, foraging, and building nests, rather than unprovoked aggression. Unique nose prints. Much like human fingerprints, every gorilla has a unique nose print, with distinct patterns of wrinkles and ridges. Researchers use these nose prints to identify and monitor individual gorillas in the wild without needing to use invasive tracking methods. Gentle giants. Despite their intimidating size and strength, gorillas are generally peaceful, shy, and non-aggressive animals who prefer to use vocalizations and elaborate charging displays, which rarely become physical fights, to resolve conflicts and assert dominance. Ecological importance. As herbivores, gorillas play a vital role in the health of their forest ecosystems. They consume vast amounts of vegetation, helping to disperse seeds and create gaps in the forest canopy that allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, promoting biodiversity and plant growth. Conservation status. Both species of gorillas, eastern and western, are classified as critically endangered, making conservation efforts essential for their survival. Silverback gorillas. Fascinating facts about nature's gentle. Gorillas are the largest living primates, powerful and intelligent great apes native to Africa's tropical forests, known as gentle giants that share almost 98% of their DNA with humans, living in family groups, troops, led by a dominant silverback, and playing a vital role in their ecosystems by dispersing seeds. They are herbivorous, strong, and display complex emotions, but face threats like habitat loss and poaching. Key characteristics: size and strength. Largest apes, with males, silverbacks, weighing significantly more than females, possessing immense strength. Appearance: stocky build, broad chests, human-like hands, dark fur, silver on older males' backs, and hairless faces, hands, and feet. Intelligence and emotion: highly intelligent, showing human-like emotions, laughter, sadness, and complex social structures. Diet: primarily herbivores, folivores/frugivores, eating leaves, stems, shoots, and fruits. Social structure: live in troops led by a silverback with strong bonds within the group. Species and habitat: two species, eastern and western gorilla, each with subspecies like mountain gorillas, eastern, and western lowland gorillas, western, inhabit rainforests and montane forests across Central Africa. Ecological role: act as gardeners of the forest by dispersing seeds crucial for rainforest health. Conservation status: critically endangered due to poaching, habitat loss, mining, logging, and disease. In essence, gorillas are our close evolutionary cousins, powerful yet peaceful, vital to their environment, and in need of significant conservation efforts. The best way for humans to protect themselves against gorillas is by avoiding confrontation and displaying submissive, non-threatening behavior. Gorillas are generally peaceful and only attack when they feel threatened. So physical confrontation should never be attempted, as humans are no match for their immense strength. General prevention: maintain distance. Always keep a distance of at least 7 meters, about 23 feet, from gorillas. Avoid eye contact. Direct eye contact can be perceived as a challenge or threat. Stay calm and quiet. Avoid screaming, loud noises, and sudden movements. Dress appropriately. Wear dull, nature-blending colors, as bright clothing may attract unwanted attention. Follow guide instructions. If on a guided tour, strictly adhere to all rules and instructions from experienced park rangers and guides who are trained to handle such encounters. Don't block their path. Ensure gorillas have a clear path to move about their environment. If a gorilla charges, gorillas will often give warning signs before a full physical attack, such as chest beating, ground thumping, or loud noises. If this happens, or if a gorilla charges, be submissive. Crouch down, make yourself appear small, and lower your head. Move away slowly. Back away one step at a time. Running may trigger their chase instinct. Do not run or fight back. Physical resistance is futile and will only escalate the aggression. Act like an ape. Optional. Some guides suggest actions like pretending to nap or chewing on some foliage to show you are not a threat. Go limp if grabbed. If the gorilla makes physical contact or grabs you, do not resist. Go limp, and it may lose interest and let you go. Ultimately, the most effective protection is through responsible behavior and prevention, respecting that gorillas are wild animals in their natural habitat. Where gorillas live. Gorillas live in the wild only in Central Africa. They are found in countries such as the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, Rwanda, Cameroon, and Gabon. Gorillas live in different types of forests, depending on the species. Some gorillas live in lowland tropical rainforests, which are warm, wet, and full of thick vegetation. Others, such as mountain gorillas, live in cooler mountain forests high above sea level. These forests provide gorillas with plenty of food, water, and safe places to rest and raise their young. What gorillas eat. Gorillas are mainly herbivores, meaning they eat plants. Most of their diet is made up of leaves, stems, shoots, bark, bamboo, and fruit. They also eat small insects such as ants and termites on occasion. Gorillas spend many hours each day eating and searching for food. An adult gorilla can eat 40 pounds or more of vegetation per day. Because their food contains a lot of fiber, gorillas have strong jaws and large teeth to help them chew tough plants. How long gorillas live. In the wild, gorillas usually live between 35 and 40 years. Their lifespan depends on factors such as food availability, disease, and safety from hunters. In zoos and wildlife sanctuaries, gorillas often live longer, sometimes over 50 years, because they receive medical care, regular food, and protection from danger. How gorillas take care of their children. Baby gorillas are called infants, and they are born very small and weak. A baby gorilla stays close to its mother for several years. The mother carries the infant on her chest or back, feeds it, and protects it from danger. She also teaches the young gorilla how to find food and interact with others. The silverback gorilla, who is the adult male leader of the group, helps protect all the young gorillas and keeps the group safe from threats. Are gorillas endangered? Yes, gorillas are endangered, which means their population is at risk of disappearing. The main reasons gorillas are endangered are deforestation, hunting, poaching, and disease. Humans cut down forests for farming, roads, and buildings, destroying gorillas' homes. Some gorillas are hunted illegally, and diseases such as Ebola have killed many gorillas in the wild. Because gorillas reproduce slowly, it is difficult for their populations to recover. Are gorillas dangerous to humans? Gorillas are generally peaceful and shy animals. They do not attack humans unless they feel threatened or are trying to protect their family. When a gorilla feels scared or angry, it may show warning signs such as beating its chest, making loud sounds, or standing tall. These behaviors are meant to scare threats away, not to start a fight. Most gorillas prefer to avoid contact with humans altogether. How humans should protect themselves around gorillas. When humans are near gorillas, it is important to stay calm and respectful. People should keep a safe distance and avoid sudden movements or loud noises. Staring directly into a gorilla's eyes can be seen as a threat, so it should be avoided. Tourists and researchers should always follow the rules set by wildlife parks and guides. These rules help prevent injuries and reduce stress for the gorillas. How humans can help save gorillas from extinction. Humans can help save gorillas by protecting their natural habitats and supporting conservation efforts. This includes creating protected wildlife parks, stopping illegal hunting, and reducing deforestation. People can donate to or volunteer with organizations that work to protect gorillas. Learning about gorillas and teaching others about their importance also helps raise awareness. By caring for the environment and making responsible choices, humans can help ensure gorillas survive for future generations.